Hey everyone, this is Tim from Euro 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to reset the password pin for your Samsung TV if you have this remote right here, the solar cell remote. So I'm just going to go to the home screen and then I'm going to press the settings button and I'm just going to go to change the pin. And the default pin is 0000. So let's go on down to general and privacy. And then go to change pin down here at the bottom. So just type in 0000 if you haven't changed this at all, or it could just be 6666. So try those two, just because that's probably the default. You might have just entered that in because it rests on 6. So to reset it though, with our remote, we need to know the back button, the little arrow above the volume key, and then we want to press the volume button down right here. You don't want to press it up or down, you just want to press it in, and that will mute your mute your remote. So we're going to press mute, volume up, back button, the return arrow, volume down, return arrow, volume up, return. And that should reset it, and then we can turn off our TV and turn it on to see if it works. So let's do it now. So let's press mute. And I didn't see it on the TV, so I'm going to press it down again. It should say mute for you. So let's press mute, volume up, return, volume down, return, volume up, return, and then it should be reset. So I'm just going to turn off my TV. And then I'm going to turn it back on. So sometimes if you just leave your TV on, it won't reset, and then we got to go back to the options and just see if it reset. So just try that out a few times, going a little bit slower, maybe like a second each press, and then we can go back over here and see if it reset on us. So it should be the default now, and if it's incorrect, go and just try this out a few times. So you can just press volume, the mute button, up, return, volume down, return, volume up, return, and then we could just try this out again. So just try it out a few times, go in different speeds and see if it will reset for you. And you might have to reset your TV. So it worked that time, allowed me to reset it. My password was just the default one with a bunch of 6s in it before. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.